Abusia, a very big akwaba to you. If today is your first time stopping by, you are home away from home. Relax and let's do this together. I mostly do not meal prep for the week or for a period. I cook as and when the need arises. And so this morning, for instance, I had so much wanted to take Kokonte with granite soup to work. So I prep everything the night before, including the meat. But on a second thought, I realized that the meat wouldn't be enough. So I had some towel in the freezer. Towel is shocky. So I decided to add a few to it. So the night before, I steamed the meat with ginger, onion, and salt. Yeah, I blended, of course, with water. So that is what I have on fire. It's been cooking extra for about 10 minutes today. So I'll go ahead to add in my granite and tomato paste that was half cooked. For some time now, I've been using hot water in making my dishes, and trust me, it's been very, very helpful to me. It reduces the cooking time, because if I had used cold or room temperature water, it will start the whole cooking process afresh. But this time, because the water is already hot, everything will begin to boil. So I added my blended vegetables, tomatoes, pepper, onion, and my chief of all vegetables, turkey berries. I'm now sifting the Kokonte flour. Kokonte is made out of dehydrated cassava, so it's taken to the mill for it to be grinded into a powdered form. As a foodie and a lover of soups, I always make sure that I have blended vegetables in the fridge, so that anytime I decide to make my soup, so what I am pouring is raw pepper. I already have garden eggs, blended garden eggs. So that is about that. So over here, I'm going ahead to start making the kokonte. The rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I will leave you to enjoy that with the background music from Uncle Charles Wesley. It's a Methodist hymn that says, "Jesus, my Savior and friend." Look at her. She came with her clothes. It's me fan shechi. Me fan shechi. So The food is ready now. This one is for my neighbor. So mine and that of Nature had already gone to work. So ours, I put them in nylon or plastic bags. Yeah, that is how I package ours. And trust me, my friend, you are going to see her in one of my vlogs that we went to the Bunsu Eco Park again. She really enjoyed the Kokonte, and even the following day she was asking for more. I was hard pressed for time when I started this vlog, because in my head, when I was sleeping yesterday, I said I would wake up by 5 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. I said I would wake up by 4:30 or 5:30. Either by 4:30 or 5:30. But this girl here, she's been coughing for almost 2 weeks, and we've taken her to 2 different hospitals, and she's been given 3 different types of cough mixture. But they are all not, they seem not to work, and so she starts coughing around 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. So anytime I wake up, I find it difficult to sleep again. Oh, mommy, you know, better phone. So this night wasn't an exception. I couldn't sleep until about 2 a.m. So sorry. So I couldn't wake up as planned. That is why I could not talk through the vlog. So if you have any cough remedy for her, she doesn't like honey, and I've tried the honey, the ginger, and then the ginger, I didn't even add ginger, honey, and lemon, but she rejected it. So we don't know what to do. Okay. When I said honey and lemon, she said no. So she doesn't like it. That is it. So I am late. Yeah, I want to say thank you so much for your time with us this morning. We've enjoyed every moment with you. Please leave your comments, your thoughts in the description area, and we will see you again in our next vlog. Bye bye.